Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things design and creativity. Today, we're delving into the realm of graphic design. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 things you need to know before you embark on a career in this vibrant and ever-evolving field. From understanding the basics to harnessing your passion, we've got you covered. So if you're contemplating a career in graphic design, stick around as we count down the top 10 things you need to know. Starting at number 10, understand the basics. As with any craft, the foundation is pivotal. In the realm of graphic design, the bedrock consists of principles such as color theory, typography, and layout. Let's break them down, shall we? Color theory is the science and art of using color. It explains how humans perceive color and the visual effects of how colors mix, match, or contrast with each other. Typography, on the other hand, is all about fonts. It's not just what you say, but how it's presented that can make all the difference. And layout? It's the arrangement of elements that helps guide a viewer's eye around the design. These basics aren't just arbitrary rules. They're the tools that will help you effectively communicate your ideas and messages. They're what separates a good design from a great one. So, before you dive into the deep end, make sure you've mastered the basics. Moving on to number 9, be tech savvy. Now, you might be thinking, well, of course, it's a digital field. But being tech savvy in the realm of graphic design is more than just knowing your way around a computer. It's about mastering the software that brings your creations to life. Whether it's Adobe's Creative Suite with Photoshop and Illustrator, or other platforms like Sketch and InDesign, these tools are the bread and butter of a graphic designer's arsenal. But the tech landscape is ever evolving. New tools, platforms, and trends emerge all the time. Keeping pace with these changes is vital. You see, technology doesn't just change how we design, it changes what we design. It influences trends, styles, and even the mediums we work with. In an industry driven by technology, being tech-savvy is non-negotiable. At number 8, we have creativity is key. Now, you might be thinking, well, of course, it's design after all. But let's delve a little deeper into what this truly means. In the realm of graphic design, creativity is the spark that ignites the flame of innovation. It's the ability to see the world differently, to find unique solutions to complex problems, and to make something ordinary into something extraordinary. It's about pushing boundaries and taking risks. It's about daring to be different. This is what sets great graphic designers apart from the rest. They don't just follow trends, they set them. They don't just create designs, they tell stories. They use their creativity to craft compelling visuals that captivate and inspire. So remember, in the world of graphic design, your creativity is your most valuable asset. In graphic design, creativity isn't just a plus, it's a prerequisite. Coming in at number 7, learn to take criticism. Stepping into the world of graphic design, you'll quickly realize that feedback and criticism are integral parts of the journey. The creative process is often subjective, and as a designer, you'll find that everyone has an opinion. And guess what? That's a good thing. Criticism helps you to see your work from different perspectives. It can expose areas that you may have overlooked and offer a fresh viewpoint. It's important to understand that criticism isn't about you as a person. It's about your work, and your work is not you. Let's be honest, no one likes to hear negative comments about their work. It stings. But it's essential to separate yourself from your work and use criticism as a tool for improvement. Taking on board constructive feedback and implementing changes can dramatically improve the quality of your designs. Remember, criticism is not a personal attack, but a tool for growth. Number 6 on our list is networking. Now, you might be wondering, why is networking important in the world of graphic design? The answer is simple. Networking is about building relationships, and relationships are the cornerstone of any successful career. In the design industry, networking can open up a world of opportunities. Imagine being able to tap into the collective knowledge of seasoned professionals, learn about the latest trends, or even get a heads up about potential job openings. Yes, that's the power of networking. It's not just about attending industry events or joining online communities, although those are great places to start. It's about fostering genuine connections with your peers, mentors, and even clients. Remember, the design world is a community. And in this community, sharing ideas and supporting each other's growth is the norm. In the design world, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Halfway through our list at number 5, constant learning. In the ever-evolving field of graphic design, the learning never truly ends. Just as art and technology continue to grow and change, so must your knowledge and skills in this vibrant industry. You see, every new project could require a different approach, a different software, or a different set of skills. And as designers, we must be ready to adapt, to learn, and to evolve. The secret lies in being curious. Curiosity fuels creativity, and creativity is the heart of graphic design. Keep exploring, keep pushing the boundaries. Whether it's attending workshops, reading books, or watching tutorials online, never stop learning. Remember, the greatest artists, the most successful designers, they all have one thing in common: a thirst for knowledge. And it's this thirst that keeps them at the top of their game. In a fast-paced industry like design, there's always something new to learn. At number 4, we have the business side. Now, being a graphic designer isn't just about creating visually stunning designs. There's a whole other side to it that often goes overlooked: the business side. This involves understanding the art of negotiation, knowing how to set your rates, and being able to manage contracts. You see, as a graphic designer, you're not just an artist, but also a business person. Whether you're freelancing or working for a company, you need to understand your worth. This means negotiating contracts that reflect your skills and experience, and setting rates that are competitive yet fair. But remember, this isn't just about making money. It's about valuing your time, your skills, and your creativity. And don't forget about managing contracts. This might sound daunting, but it's a vital part of the process. It's about setting clear expectations, meeting deadlines, and ensuring you're compensated for your work. Understanding business is crucial to making a living as a graphic designer. Coming in at number 3, time management. If you thought graphic design was all about letting your creative juices flow, think again. A significant part of being a graphic designer is about managing your time effectively. In the world of design, you will often find yourself juggling multiple projects, each with its own set of deadlines. And let's not forget the meetings, brainstorming sessions, and the time it takes to update your skills and learn new ones. Being able to manage your time effectively is not just about meeting deadlines, though that's certainly important. It's about maintaining a balance. It's about ensuring that you have enough time to give each project the attention it deserves without burning yourself out. It's about making sure you also have time for yourself to recharge your creative batteries. So remember to plan your day, prioritize your tasks, and stay organized. Good time management skills are essential for a successful career in graphic design. Almost there at number 2, portfolio. A portfolio in the graphic design world is like a visual resume. It's the tangible proof of your talent, your skills, and your creative journey. Without it, your words are just that, words. But with it, your work speaks volumes about your capabilities. Imagine a potential client or employer. They want to see what you can do. They want to see your style, your technique, your approach to problem solving. They want to see your best work and your range of skills. That's where your portfolio comes in. It's your chance to make a powerful first impression. Your portfolio needs to be a curated collection of your finest work, a representation of you at your creative best. It should showcase a variety of projects and demonstrate your versatility as a designer. Remember, quality over quantity. Your portfolio is your ticket to showcasing your talent and landing jobs. And finally, at number 1, passion. This isn't just about having a fancy for design or a passing interest in colors and shapes. No, this is about a deep, burning desire that keeps you up at night, sketching out ideas on a notepad, or experimenting with new design software until the wee hours of the morning. It's about a love so profound that you can't imagine doing anything else with your life. Passion is the fuel that drives your work, propelling you forward when the going gets tough. It's the spark that ignites your creativity, allowing you to come up with fresh, innovative designs that captivate and inspire. It's the tenacity that keeps you going, even when you face rejection or criticism, pushing you to improve and grow. In the world of design, passion isn't just a bonus, it's a necessity. It's the lifeblood of your craft, the heartbeat of your career. Without passion, even the most skilled designer will struggle. So, there we have it. The top 10 things you need to know before becoming a graphic designer. From understanding the basics, harnessing your tech-savvy side, to valuing creativity, criticism, and networking. We've also learned how constant learning, managing the business side, time management, having a stellar portfolio, and a fiery passion can set you up for success in this field. Each point is vital to your journey as a designer. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more design insights and tips. Here's to your future in graphic design.